Happy Monday from your team here at Outer Banks this week. My name is Mallory, bringing you this week's beach report from Ramp 2 in South Nags Head, just across the street from Body Island Lighthouse. It's about 57 degrees right now. It's going to be warming up. Today we'll see highs of 67, and it's going to be a warm week throughout with highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. It'll be sunny with a chance of rain on Thursday. With the spring season in full swing, let's get to some events happening on the Outer Banks this week. The annual local seafood fest is happening tonight at Bass Knight's Lone Cedar Cafe. Come out Saturday for Eastertide in the gardens at the Elizabethan Gardens, or join the Fly into Spring Extravaganza at Kitty Hawk Heights. And farther south on Saturday, enjoy Easter brunch at the Cafe Pamlico, or enjoy Easter brunch on Sunday at the Black Pelican, or stick around for an Easter lunch or supper at the Jolly Roger. If you need any more information on the events I just mentioned, or if you're interested in seeing events happening from Corolla to Ocracoke this week, please head to outerbanksthisweek.com. Thank you and have a great day.
outerbanksthisweek.com. Don't miss a thing.